In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CV in Canva. If you want your application to look polished, modern, and easy to read, Canva is a great tool to use. A lot of people struggle with resumes because traditional word processors can be frustrating. Text shifts around, spacing becomes uneven, and one small edit can throw off the whole page. With Canva, you can start from a professional layout and customize it in a much smoother way. To begin, open Canva and head to the homepage. One of the most important things here is starting with the correct document size because that helps prevent printing problems and awkward formatting later. In the top right corner, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Resume or CV, then choose the standard Resume 8.5 by 11-inch format. This opens a properly sized canvas and gives you a solid foundation to work from. Once your blank resume page is open, move to the left-hand sidebar and click Design. This opens the template panel where you can browse ready-made CV layouts. In the search bar, type something specific like professional resume, tech CV, or minimalist corporate resume. Try to pick a template that fits your industry and personal style. For example, a clean and simple layout usually works well for corporate roles, while creative fields may allow a little more visual personality. When you find one you like, click it to apply it to the page. Next, it's time to replace the sample content with your own details. Zoom in if needed so the text is easier to read. Click into each text box, highlight the placeholder text, and type in your own information, including your professional summary, work experience, education, and skills. As you do this, keep your spacing neat and your wording consistent. It also helps to write your achievements clearly and use straightforward phrasing so hiring managers can scan your CV quickly. After your content is in place, review the visual design. If the template includes a photo and you want to use one, click Uploads on the left sidebar and add a professional headshot. Then drag it onto the existing image frame. You can also use the toolbar at the top to adjust fonts or accent colors. Keep everything readable and professional. Simple color choices and clean typography usually make the strongest impression. Finally, do a full quality check. Look over the page carefully to make sure your alignment is clean, your headings are consistent, and no sample text is still showing. When everything looks right, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select PDF Standard or PDF Print, depending on how you plan to use the file, and click Download to save your finished CV. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next